This is a hose bib, also known as a sillcock. In this case it's in my garage, but if your house is old enough you may have it on the outside of your house. This style turns the water off right here, and you can tell that because of the angle of the handle relative to the wall. This is turning the water off right here, which means that in the winter time this is exposed to freezing. You have live water pressure exposed to freezing temperatures unless it's in a heated area. So obviously outside is not an option. In a garage, if your garage is heated, then you're fine. What I have to do is go and turn the shutoff valve in the basement, controlling this, off every winter, and then open this up to prevent this from freezing. This is a Frostfree sillcock, and this is mounted on the outside of your house, and all you see is this. When looking at this from the outside of a house, you can tell it's frost-free because the handle is perpendicular to the wall. The reason for that is the handle turns a rod, and the rod goes all the way down to here. And obviously this is inside your house, inside your basement. So you've got your brick or your siding and then your 2x4 wall. So this is in the heated part of the house. The water is being shut off here. It's being stopped right there. And that means that you don't have to worry about this in the winter because none of the stuff that's cold has any water in it, as long as you take the hose off. So you still got to remember to do something before your winter time, and that is to remove the garden hose. Otherwise, if you've got a hose on this, it can trap water sitting inside of here, and then the hose freezes, the water freezes, you get a rupture in here. You don't know it because it doesn't, the rupture is in the part that's off. The water pressure is back here. You don't know it until the spring, the first time you go to water and you turn it on, and then you have water pouring into your basement. And that's the risk. So with these are the most common thing. You just have to take the hose off. This is a self-draining wall hydrant, and it has the same kind of arrangement with the handle perpendicular to the wall. It shuts the water off about 12 inches inside the house. And you can see it's a little bit different size and shape, but this is so designed that when you turn the water off, even if a hose is connected, it will drain, preventing freeze damage.